Jay and Arya, best friends, love adventure and exploring nature around their mountain village. They spend their time hiking and dreaming of extraordinary discoveries. One day, while hiking through the forest, Jay finds an old, crumpled map buried in the dirt. The map shows a trail leading to a mysterious symbol in the mountains. Excited, Jay and Arya decide to follow it, believing it might lead to something incredible. The next morning, they pack their supplies and start their journey. The trail is difficult, with narrow paths, steep cliffs, and encounters with wildlife. Despite the challenges, Jay and Arya support each other, making the journey enjoyable with laughter and teamwork. After hours of trekking, they reach the spot marked on the map. They discover a hidden cavern covered by thick vines. Nervously and excitedly, they push the vines aside and enter the dark, mysterious cave. Inside the cavern, they find glowing crystals lighting up the walls, which are covered with ancient carvings. They also find a chest. When they open it, they are surprised to see letters and artifacts left by a forgotten explorer, each telling a story of courage and friendship. Jay and Arya realize that the true treasure isn't gold or riches, it's the experience of their adventure and the memories they created together. They decide to share the explorers' stories with their village, but to them, their bond and teamwork are the most valuable reward. Their adventure becomes the talk of the village, and Jay and Arya feel proud of what they've achieved. Most importantly, they learn that friendship and shared experiences are the greatest treasures of all.